Now, reporting live, we have breaking news regarding a case of date rape in Chester County. A man has been accused of drugging a woman's drink while she was visiting him and then sexually assaulting her while she was unconscious. Now to Hannah for more information regarding date rape signs and symptoms.
Thanks, Leah. Now let's talk a little bit more about what exactly date rape is. Rape is defined as any non-consensual contact or sexual activity that a person does not agree to. Furthermore, date rape drugs can cause impairment and loss of consciousness, thereby facilitating the assault. When you least expect it, the offender slips the drug into your drink, and this commonly happens in places that serve alcohol and at parties. These tasteless substances can either make you physically weak or render you unconscious so a person can take advantage of you sexually. Remember, even if you drank alcohol, rape is not your fault. Let's find out a little bit more about what drugs these include. There are 3 drugs classified as date rape drugs, the first being Rohypnol, also known as Roofies, which is a benzodiazepine prescription pill that is not approved for medical use in the United States. People feel the drug's effects within 30 minutes and can last up to several hours. This drug causes you to feel sleepy, weak, confused, and forgetful. It also renders you unable to move your body. The second drug is GHB, also known as gamma-hydroxybutyric acid, which is also known as cherry meth or goop and prescribed for a sleep disorder known as narcolepsy. It goes into effect within 15 to 30 minutes and can affect you for up to 6 hours. The side effects of GHB are vomiting, slowed heart rate, or difficulty with breathing, and the drug can lead to coma or death when consumed in high doses. The last drug is ketamine, also known as cat Valium, which is an anesthetic that reduces pain and overall feeling, producing feelings of detachment and distorting perceptions of sight and sound. The effects of ketamine often last between 30 to 60 minutes and cause symptoms such as nausea, increased blood pressure, rapid heartbeat, and hallucinations. Now to Julia with some statistics and prevalence in college-age kids.
Thank you, Hannah. Now on to date rape statistics and prevalence among college females. Lifetime prevalence of date or acquaintance rape ranges from 13 to 27% among college-age women and 20% to a high of 68% among adolescents. Among college women, forced sexual intercourse happens to be perceived as more permissible when the perpetrator is a date or an acquaintance rather than a stranger. Maybe college women don't self-identify as victims despite reporting experiences of sexual victimization. Many times, the label of sexual assault is confused with a serious miscommunication due to victim substance with the substance abuse at the time, higher levels of self-blame, or being a greater acquaintance with the perpetrator. Demographic characteristics that increase vulnerability to date rape include younger age at first date, early sexual activity, earlier age of menarche, a past history of sexual abuse or prior sexual victimization, and also being more accepting of rape myths and violence towards women. And now a message from our sponsors. We'll be right back after this commercial break.
Ladies, has this ever happened to you? You're out at the bar having a great time with the girls when all of a sudden... Well, look no further. We have the perfect solution for you. This nail polish keeps you safe and stylish. All you have to do is dip your finger into the drink. The polish will change colors if it detects date rape drugs.
These cups and straws continuously check for any date rape drugs in your beverages.
In just seconds, your cup or straw can change colors to notify you of date rape drugs.
These coasters can be stored easily right in your purse, and they can be used to detect any drug that is put in your drink. All you have to do is take some of your drink, splash it on the coaster, and then in 2 to 5 minutes you can detect any GHB or ketamine.
This is the personal drink gadget. It's the size of a USB, so you can take it anywhere with you. All you have to do is drop it in your drink and wait for the light to turn red or green. It also connects to your smartphone to let you know what has been detected in your drink. Once you're done with it, all you have to do is rinse it off, and it can be used again.
This is the nightcap scrunchie that you can wear around anywhere you go. It has a preventative measure you can pull out that goes right over the cup. It goes like this. Then you stick your straw right in there, and no drugs can go in your drink.
Now, back from the break, I'm here to talk a little bit about date rape prevention. It is important to always accept your drink directly from the bartender or server and to never accept a drink from a stranger. It is also important to never leave your drink unattended. And if you do take your eyes off of your drink, to make sure that your hand is covering the drink or use a device, such as we saw in the last advertisements, to cover your drink at all times. If you do start to feel the effects of a date rape drug, such as dizziness, nausea, or lightheadedness, make sure you seek immediate attention from a trusted friend or an employee, and never go out alone. That concludes this report on date rape.